It is the week before winter break. Now it's the weekend before winter break. What a week it has been. Stay tuned. Hey Chargers, Charger families and community. It has been another amazing week at the home of the Chargers. It's been a wet week, and of course today, as soon as school gets out, it stops raining and the skies start clearing up, but hey, we'll take it. It's been a fantastic week. Today we ended the week on a really good note. We had our winter sports pep assembly, and it is actually included in this video. The entire assembly was filmed, and we were able to squeeze it into the video this week. So I think you'll really enjoy being able to watch the whole thing. Whether you're here or weren't able to make it, you get to see it again. I wanted to take just a moment to talk to our students and our families about a program that we use for graduation. It's called Zillow, and it helps our students with their high school and beyond plan. One thing that is real important that some students might not understand is you need to have this completed in order to graduate, in order to get your diploma, in order to participate in the graduation ceremony. You have to have that program completed by the end of your senior year. And students start working on it now. A lot of them started working on it before they ever got to Getchell, but it's something that continues on through all 4 years of high school. There's not a lot to do in it, but the activities are meaningful and they are mandatory. So even if you're not planning on going on to college, even if you're planning on going into the workforce or going into the military or going to a trade school, whatever the case, it's still something that has to be completed. So take a few minutes. A blast was sent out. It's put on our social media pages as well. And just take a look at it. If you have any trouble or any difficulty getting on, if you're a family member and not the student whose account is being used, please just contact the school and we'll be able to help you out there. But our pep assembly today was amazing. I hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you on the other side of the video. That was truly a great assembly. Thanks to our leadership kids for organizing it and putting that on and running it. It was fantastic. There may or may not be a video coming out next weekend. I have to see. Next week is the week before winter break, and then everyone scatters. So if there's anything going on here at school, obviously I will try to capture that and put it in a video, but we'll have to wait and see right now. So if I don't see you before the winter break, I hope everybody is stay safe, gets a lot of rest. We want you back after the break, so please, 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 even though you're not here at school, even though you're on vacation, even though you're on break, please make sure to make each and every day a great day the Charger way.